Hi friends, I'm Anju. I got a new package today from the mailbox and I need to open and see what they sent it for me. This is a package makeup product. I ordered it and it came to my door. So time to open. I'm trying to open. Oh my god, it's giving me hard time to open. I'm trying my best to open the package to show you what is the inside today. And after struggle I just trying to take out to open the and finally I did it. See how smoothly it came. I'll just take the trash out from the table, and then I realized that oh my god, why I opened there. I need to open here easily, and I start opening there. So once I open, so I'm ready to open it. Oh my god, I'm excited to see. Wow, let's I tell you what is there inside. This is a primer, and I love this primer, dear. I tell you so much because it's smooth your skin, it's fill up your pores and everything, and it's look very nice when you open the box. Let's try. Let's see how they send me this time. What kind of box they send me inside the container. Oh my god, see this. This is in silver. It's shining, look like a diamond. Wow. Yeah, I will try this product on my skin and show you how it's felt on. It's take little time to come out, so it's like very gel type, and it's I love it. I love this primer. I love this company makeup. I try once and I fell in love with this one, and it smooth your skin so nice, so soft, and you feel so good in this. I tell you, so good. Wow, I fell in love with this primer. Let's go to foundation, and this is like it's not a full coverage, but it's a middle coverage, but it's give you a very beautiful coverage on your skin. I am totally fell in love. My daughter totally fell in love whenever she wants to do videos on YouTube or Instagram or anywhere. She used this makeup first. She said as mama, this makeup makes me so beautiful. My skin looks so fantastic. I love this makeup. Yeah, and also you see how it's blend on your skin so nicely, so smoothly, and it's not picky. It's not give you like a picky look, or it's not breaking your skin or nothing. Always you before primer, you need to do always the moisturize your skin, so you will never get a packing. It's just so beautiful. I love it. Let's go to the third item. What they send me, the third item, which is the concealer. Oh my god, you will fall in love this concealer. The good thing about this concealer is fill up your lines, your eye lines, which is the under eye or the top of the eye. You have the lines. They cover with this. Even it's so beautiful. It's so smoothly, and I fell in love with this concealer, and let's all put it back in the box. And they send me one free item, which is I think this is a lip liner, which is mute color. So I love mute colors. Oh my god, I'm very happy they sent me a mute color free lip liner. And let's open and see how it look, and I will make work on my skin to show you all how it turns mute color. So let's see. See the color. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, so happy. Oh my god, see the pencil. Wow, can you see? I love it, I love it. If you are like, please go freely and order this company. You can find out this company if you put their name, or if you want the website, I can put it in my link box, so you can order too. And it's very nice, very nice. I love it, I love it. This is a primer, foundation, concealer, and one item free. I already ordered. This is the third box which is came for me, and I already have a second box which is not empty yet. So once that empty, I will start this. So I will just